Hi everyone, I'm Jim with Jim's Plumbing Now. Today we are going to replace a water heater. This water heater right here is 21 years old. It's definitely met its life expectancy. It leaked from the top, it leaked from the bottom. A lot of water damage, but we're going to get this replaced today. We're going to put in a brand new A.O. Smith water heater, and we're going to get that done right now. Alright, with this new A.O. Smith water heater, they're going to have recovery time just so much better than it was before. So recovery time is when they use up all the hot water. Let's say they have a garden tub and they use all the hot water from that tank. So recovery time is how long does it take to heat all the water back up in that tank. This unit here, brand new unit, it's going to be about 30 to 45 minutes. The old unit, it's a 20-year-old unit, had a bunch of sediment in it. It's going to take a long time to heat that water back up, so they're probably looking at like an hour and a half. They're going to see a big decrease in their energy bills, so it's just going to be so much better to have this new unit in, and they're going to be so much happier having this new water heater installed.
Hey, I'm Malik with Jim's Plumbing Now. I'm the licensed plumber on site, and right now we're just kind of getting things prepared for removing the old heater, which I've already done, putting the new one in. A couple updates we've made is change out the supply lines with adapters. You know, Texas pretty much, they let you install any kind of movable supply lines, so we don't hard pipe our supply lines in. I know some state regulations hard pipe theirs in. We just, for convenience, put regular supply lines with adapters, how I like to install them. Add a shutoff so we know that you got a new shutoff valve in there. Adds a lot of value to the home in terms of protecting the home and your property. Also, new gas flex supply with a new shutoff for the gas as well. Protect your home from, you know, if you ever have a problem with the heater, leaving for vacation, want to turn it off and just make sure there's no problems. You can turn both of those off and not have to worry about it and enjoy your leave. Just a few things to help keep your investment safe and make it easier for the next technician when he comes, and even if you wanted to give it a try yourself. What I'm doing right now is I'm just putting sealant, pipe sealant. You can't see it because we work over here. So just pipe sealant on the gas to ensure that, you know, the pipe that we're putting in is lubricated, it's sealing when, you know, we go to turn the gas on. We don't have to worry about any kind of gas leaks or whatnot to protect the homeowner. Also, of course, we're going to spray test it down with bubbles and make sure that, you know, there are no gas leaks when we're all done with the job, but this is our insurance. So this is a sediment trap. Really important to put these on the new heaters. The old one didn't have it. Any kind of debris that comes up in the gas line, this will catch it. You'll see it'll make sense when I install it, but it kind of just, it does what its name says when it catches or traps the sediment, so that it doesn't get into the new control valve, just to protect the investment. You could easily work with the things that a licensed plumber has put in to make things more convenient for you. So one addition we're going to make is install this pan. It's just going to help prevent any kind of water damage that may occur. Of course, putting the pan in itself, you may be like, well, what is this going to do? Well, we're not going to keep it like this. We're going to add a valve in there so you can easily hook a hose up to it. And run it outside like we have and drain the old heater. In the case of an emergency, of course, you know, when these things fail, you may turn off the water to your house, but you got to remember, you got 50 gallons in the tank still. So what's going to happen? Well, what you're going to do is hook a hose up to this pan, drain it down. Maybe if you got another hose, hook it up to the water heater itself, help fix the problem as soon as possible, and call us and we'll get it fixed up. So this is the addition that we added to the new water heater. It just makes it easier and convenient to turn the water off. So parallel, of course we have the water off right now, so no water shooting the camera. Parallel is on, as you can see. These are called quarter turn valves. Add a lot of value to the home and makes it so that, you know, even if you have a home and you're maybe up in age, you can still conveniently turn the water off easily. Like I said, parallel is on, perpendicular is off. That's simple. Same addition with the gas valve as well. In the case of emergency, you need to shut your gas off. Maybe we're a little concerned. Just adds value before we come and check out the situation. If needed to protect your family, we're able to shut things down for you. This time next year, they're gonna have it flushed. Our manufacturer recommends once a year they get it flushed. So we usually just get the homeowner on a schedule next year, go ahead and do a complimentary free flush since they got it installed through us. And then afterward, we continue to come out. So yeah, just remember when you install your new water heater, get it flushed.
All right, we just got this water heater installed and we are all finished. Took about 2.5 to 3 hours and we got it all knocked out. So this homeowner is ready to go. We have hot water on and ready to go.